Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. Bonfida has formed another falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart after breaking out a big down channel. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and I would also like to show you another falling wedge pattern that is a smaller falling wedge pattern, and it is formed on the daily time frame chart. And recently you can see that the price line has again bounced from the support of this wedge. And I would also like to show you this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bonfida that I shared, by the way, in the month of January 2023. On 7th of January 2023, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that Bonfida formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very powerful reversal move from this buying zone. And this was, by the way, more than 80% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern. And this idea, by the way, I shared in the month of September 2023 with US dollar pair. And this was another garlet that was formed on the daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone. And this was almost 45% pump. You can see it reached here, the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now, let's move to the live chart of Bonfida. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart, and we can see that the Bonfida is moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 15th of January 2023. You can see we have several touch points here. Then we had another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that has happened a few days back on 14th of June, and Bonfida is still moving to the outside. So far, since 14th of June up till now, from this low, and to place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see it has recovered almost 27%, but still moving towards the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And you can see that now the movement is quite squeezed, therefore soon it can break this pattern. And now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that Bonfida has already broken out a very big down channel. In fact, that was not a powerful breakout. The price line just left the resistance of this down channel in the month of August 2022. And since then, it is moving sideways and formed another falling wedge pattern. Right now, you can see that the price line has dropped down again at the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern. And after getting bounced, if it will be read the resistance, then this time the resistance will be approximately at 41 cents. And once the price line will be able to break out this big falling wedge pattern, then the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be approximately at $1.55. There we have a very, very strong resistance as well. Previously, you can see when we had this big drop in the month of January 2022, we had a nice bounce. Again, we had another bounce. And after the breakdown, it flipped into a very strong resistance. And you can see we got strong rejection in the month of November 2022. And it can again work as a strong resistance for the price. And by the way, the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, that move is, by the way, still due. That if you're at the top of the channel, that can be between $15 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.